How's it going, everyone? Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I am excited to show you guys our Featherweight kit. Our Featherweight kit is a 4-piece kit ranging from 18 inches all the way down to 5.5 inches. The Featherweight kit is by far our most flexible kit, and you guys can kind of see right there how much flexibility you really have with all of this. So when you get into like the 11-inch block of the Featherweight, you can just see how much flex you have. So when you're working on a round VW fender or an old fender from a fat Ford truck or something like that, you've just got a lot of flexibility to be able to get what needs to be done with that. And then the last block of that, it comes with the 5.5-inch rod block. So this is a solid flat block that's really good for door jambs, firewalls, stuff like that. That just kind of helps you get those little detailed areas. So again, Featherweight kit, 4-piece kit. It's our most flexible kit. You guys can go and get it on our website, www.bkblocks.com. Check it out. You guys are gonna love it. Thanks.